everybody's got one question on their mind. You've given a clarification that you're not retiring anytime soon. But what made you make that statement that you're taking a break? It sounded like a retirement plan, and then you came back with a clarification.
Years have, as I mentioned in that post, have been truly phenomenal. I probably reflect upon the year gone by with utmost humility and gratitude कि जो चीजें मैंने शायद मांगी थी उससे कहीं ज्यादा मिला. I am an artist who's been working for the last 21 years professionally, but especially post 12th fail, it's really been remarkable. And I mean it when I say कि जो मांगा था ऊपर वाले से उससे कहीं ज्यादा मिला. So just to put things into context, I put out that post midnight because I was not able to sleep. क्योंकि अगले दिन the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, was going to watch my film. And the entire cabinet was going to watch my film, The Sabarmati Report. And I was on a call with my wife and we were chatting, and just to sort of briefly put it, मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि ये सब होगा जीवन में. 12th फेल कर ली, पूरे देश में लोगों ने उस फिल्म को इतना सराहा, मेरे काम को इतना सराहा. मेरा सपना था कि मुझे कभी फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मिले, वो भी मिल गया. एंड pardon me, I might be sounding borderline pompous, but I'm trying to be as honest as I can. फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मिल गया. पिछले महीने श्री अमिताभ बच्चन जी के साथ बैठ के चर्चा करने का मौका मिल गया, वो भी एक सपना पूरा हो गया. एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लिए देश के प्रधानमंत्री के साथ मिलना ही बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. 11 साल में उन्होंने एक फिल्म देखी है, वो है मेरी फिल्म. पूरा कैबिनेट वहां था. He gave his time, the entire cabinet gave its time. And the kind of love and reception the film got, I was truly overwhelmed by it, to be honest. So I was talking to my family, I was talking to my wife, and I said ki yaar, and again I'm giving this disclaimer, please pardon me. We said कि यार इस देश में इससे ज्यादा और क्या ही कर सकता है कोई एज एन एक्टर. 12th फेल हो गई, सारी चीजें हो गई, अब साबरमती रिपोर्ट को भी लोग इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं. फिजिकली ऑल्सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ exhausted because I've been doing non-stop work. I nearly shot 284 days last year out of 365. तो creative saturation भी कहीं ना कहीं एक आ गया था. And I personally felt that that was the right moment when the Honorable Prime Minister of my country is going to watch a film which is so close to my heart. अब यहां से तो बेहतर होना पड़ेगा. I have to better myself as an actor to be worth people's time, to be worth people's money. How will I do that? Is when I reflect at what the year gone by has been like and better myself as an actor. जब आप ये recognize करते हैं कि there is not much within you as a creative artist to offer, whether you're on a high or a low, the most basic thing one does is take a break, recalibrate and better themselves. तो मैंने भी वही करने की कोशिश की, पर दिक्कत ही हो गई कि मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही अंग्रेजी लिख दी उस पोस्ट में. बहुत लोगों को समझ नहीं आया. But yeah, I had to come out with a clarification the next day, and I still stand by it that for me to be in that chamber with him, with all the honorable dignitaries, and simultaneously the kind of love and adulation that the Sabarmati Report has got has really sort of made me want to better myself as an actor. That was the primary reason.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.